Using PicsArt, I can create amazing and professional-looking designs. I can remove the background of any photo and replace it with a new and beautiful background. I also like to add text on my pictures, such as quotes, names, or captions, to make them more meaningful. This app has many powerful features that help me improve my editing and design skills. I can experiment with different styles and effects to make my photos stand out. By using PicsArt regularly, I become more confident and skilled in photo editing. PicsArt is a great app for anyone who wants to make their pictures look creative, stylish, and eye-catching.